everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Oh, you're my thing, you know. 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 Yeah. So, oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Yeah. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Say, I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William Miguel, come here. 1, 2, 3. I can breathe without you, say. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, Lord. I can move without you. Hey, who am I without you?
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location in which you are. Welcome to another episode of Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. It's a privilege coming your way with this edition of legal education in our society or in our community. Hope you stick and stay with us. We'll be right back. My name is Manyeti.
Yɛyɛ fɛ ma yɛwɔ London. Yɛgye abasobɔdeɛ bebree. Na yɛaredare ɛwɔ mmaransɛm mu. Ɛyɛ legal services, bi te sɛ family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wɔ BWF deɛ, yɛn solicitors ɛde anigyeɛ ɛna etwitwagye woɔ, na yɛboɔ nso nyɛ den koraa. Yɛn partner panin paa, Bernard Owusu ayɛ lawyer ɛwɔ UK man mu bɛburu mfie 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura wɔn ho. Nti sɛ ba na ebusuansɛm bi te sɛ child care, ɛyɛ abofra hwɛ mu, awaregya yɛ ho twema mentwe, ɛne ɔhyɛ anaa injunction a yɛde to domestic violence so a, yɛmma wo legal assistance a ɛdi mu na yie adwuma nso. Yɛn child care ɛne family team no nim nea wofa mu ɛwɔ nea ɛyɛ wɔ bere yi mu. Ɛno nti na yɛto yɛn bo ase ma wafoto a ɛsɛ fata ɛwɔ kokoa mu. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agyina to mu na ɔsan so yɛ member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛgyina w'akyi ɛretwitwa agyew ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw koraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration nsɛnsɛm ho. Wɔ BWF Solicitors deɛ, yɛn immigration team no avedare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasan gyina tum ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti sɛ yɛtae w'akyi a wonni haw koraa. Yɛbie yɛn office free dwada ekosi fiada anɔpa nɔnkron pɛɛ mu ekosi enumere nonsia ɛyɛ 9:30 a.m. kosi 6 p.m. ɛna memeneda nso ɛyɛ appointment nko a free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia nɔnan ɛyɛ 10 a.m. kosi 4 p.m. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wonnante free 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernardo Wusu san yɛ barrister yɛagye na to mu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. We're advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Yo, mesa ama wakwa aba edwumedi a efiada bia ye de ba ma kwan. Yasa bihye biom adom ne nti legal hour so na wokuso a wo hwe yen na mesre ni die mu mede nchia kese ema mu baby biara a wo se anopa na edu a ne mese me ma achen se ye wi a me ma ha na se ade asanso ne me ma wajo megidi se wa beka ye hu betwen wenya atwen honhom atwen yen se ne ebe ya fitin fias enfiase ya kodu ewieye ensema yede beba ma kwan mu benya emu nimdie no na yafa na yede di dwuma mesro se wonsa ka efidia na se wonye hu ana ofri mu mpo aba wo phone so a bomode ana wonso miemia so na enkrofo dodro na enya ho enso ye kanese omonya nimdie ni bi enso nti bro potom ka se be ka se share mesro we ni di mu na share na dodro na ensanka sa edwumedie ni di se ebe ye nhira e de amaye mesro mo BWF Solicitors aye ne omudi dwume ya ye nim ejuma pa omoye wo kromu ha na nyame adom afiwei omanya pore 30 years and counting na say the obi a wenya 30 years experience in one particular thing that they do and it say ye kano experience ye bano ewo immigration sem ye ko ewo family law sem ye ko litigation and mitigations ho nsem anase mpo ye nkrom Ghanaian law ho nsem na say omo abinimu yie na omo nimdia ekosoro baby biara wasem no akwakodu se ne eti biara odi besue omo na odi bedan omo a kwan bia ombe fa so a ombe ma nkunimdie aba no eno ho adwuma eno mo ye nti mesre moma yemfa odo ye nyina ne yenhia yen senior partner preko pe a ye Bernardo Wusu a odi sa adwumedi ano ye senior partner 30 years experience ye ne oni e ba be che enimdie kakra wenya ewo sa heading anase topic a ye tusu enese ye ba be ken eto de bia meka se ye ba ma kwan a ye futi preko pe enka se ene de we na ye kwan do se ye kwa akoka da bi na mom ye de to form ye hwe nioma ekoso nsema aba we be say trending issues a circulate wo system ne mom no mo ehun se nea ekono se ye de nimdie ba dodo na benya ho na se anamo bi na oso mutu a na omotu sampo na nyoma nkitenkite bi nso e ya na dodo na enhye da ennim anase omadwen enko so eno nso saa na omode aba intimididi se ene de nso a ye de bibi saa a dodo na nim nsem a ekoso ya brabom na nso ya dwen enko emra no so ewo saa nsem hu me camera ne so anache se the legal bindings are eboa sa nsem say you be falling into such victim e nsem we a eba be ka hwi na de na o say we ye enti ene me gidi say we be stay with us na yemfa sa nimdie embeto makwan se ne be ya ebeboa mesa adamase biom oba when so Facebook ne so anase YouTube ne so a eni die mo na won so emia ne tiko ama obi nso ensa ka eno ane say share na like ehia yempa o share no na o like say ya share na che say ya na ebo ye ho akono na mom say wo di kan hyema ya na che say ebo adumedie no na ekoso yo Uncle Ben Paucho mema wakwa aba eni die mo mema wo kwan na wo de nchia kese ama etiefo na ahwefo na afei nsemsem a ewo ho no ne emfa enhyase Paucho Adaroma.
Hello, good morning, Manya T. Good morning, yeah, T4, anyone I will share Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Yeah, the money assets, I don't pay my sabeka ho, denya miase. So I don't pay what my ding, apomoding, and quatenten, any energy to me, say a bit minimum bekasa. I'm saying that topic, you know, so I person. Yeah, try say near ebeboa your community no and ebe discuss usually it's a relationship breakdown it's a relationship no and break it down problem be any ho obi ate ne ho ase bibia ye kama but relationship ne break it down also a lot of problems your emphasis no is on relationship breakdown tia we hwe ye behwe say na obetimi protect wo ho na ultimate born who ban year but sometimes no born who ban year still no at the problems but it is a problem no bar then I will be timia and identify how to prevent the problem. You identify how to prevent the problem when the problem comes, how to solve the problem or how to get some benefits out of the problem and your emphasis no ahona ya debeba.
Yo, and yes, asem papa, da say, asem papa, ampa, say, baby, a problem, we be fiaba. Kwan be na obefa so a obema sa problem mpo emba na mom se ban so a kwan be na obefa so a obetumi esi we gina no na se benefit bi bomu mpo a or se wunya eno so kwan be na obefa so a Uncle Ben, I believe it's a very beautiful topic a we dey aba and a very beneficial to the society because you know say relationship when it comes to relationship and pi na ekoso wom pi na ansa na ye disa topic a ya ti ho ehun suo kakra de a kira mansen mesra yem bia to de bia na home office ana say yen krom hampo nsemsem no yeti mo obehu ana wate we obehu ana wate yesi na mom say yeah yeti free yen lawyers a mo de bia mo ni home office edin kita ho no na eno na ma ya arechichire ana say ma ye backbone ye hu say ne ye nokre na yesi no uti wo from the right source ana o chese wetumi ejina ho yi nti no ne meka ne say ayem bia ye twa ye ho nansen mo bai home office o mate o mo ho bibi de na ekoso bibi ya friend update bi aba system ne mo a ebedi aboa ye ana mpacho pacho mentonka
Updates wo whatever in Cassia. Updates wo no near bebre ya bra bom I was a shiny ye and immigration areas I be a person will be aware. First of all, no yen nim see a cost of living crisis our UK. Yeah. And I'm say if we say baby bebre even Ghana cra and UK cost of living crisis no then more yeah waha yetua light bills ne gas ne saa nneɛma no then ebetimi aya yɛbɛbɔ aban no say October way household biara no or about £400 ɔmo bɛ spreading over 6 months nti businesses nso yɛ cancel anaa yɛ business rates no cancel na started kyerɛ sɛ wo business a wotua business rates biara nka yɛ cancel tax no see our will be £600 off. And yes, your letter or my £600 off. And obi nim to sa energy cost support, no cost of living support or energy ma UK government at the ban. And first started emails and our letters. When you it doesn't mean say winya. We be me afraid now follow up. The other thing I was say obi aware no BBF no scale up visa. Scale up visa no for highly skilled migrant. You can highly skilled and actually say obi was skilled papa bi sebio obetimi e de aba UK abaye adwuma. But obaye adwuma I will say unya sponsorship for at least 6 months. Now businesses now mobetimi apply for visa and a sponsorship certificate, you know. Mobetimi de nkrofo free outside aba. Any business. Into any business specialized and highly skilled. It can be a specializer, it be a software development, IT. It may be other areas of law. It may be even lawyers. It may be area be a business. But requirements, and I will say, highly skilled, they are skilled up. Business, you know, over the last 3 years, and I will say every year we increase with turnover by at least 20%. Until we started with 100,000, or we call 120,000, or we call another 12,000 back home. Nipa na ode no ba no. I was so sure say why I'm playing for 10. I had that. Until as the third year, no, or staff members and I say employee rate, no, I will say at least 10. And a nipa na ode no ba no. I will say English language at level B1, no. A biome, I will send you pay a minimum of £33,000. So any pano to me ba for 6 months, Utimi Jaya Jumano Koya Jumama will be for here sponsorship. That is how good this area is. Now be obey Juma betu and 33,000, which works about at least I think it's about £15 an hour or more. No, so any pano, not just say or Juma mo edimu. Yen shedam bo a Juma say okay IT4 pet. And our software development, and our project managers, but it can be anything, but it has to be highly specialized. To say a highly specialized, the other one, I know started Monday, we are 22nd of August, I know, but, and then we read newspaper, you post to your Facebook crowd, Times say, you know, for this winter, no, we hear about 150,000 people from outside and inside for the care and nursing agencies and our care and nursing area. No, I had the amunim say last year they can shortage occupation. Now, minim say community in Crawford started apply for sponsorship license, but abroad, ain't areas what I've realized and they say yeah in Crawford no to say will be you know on per risk. I hope person no yeah adwuma ma obi. But also bet me be a nursing agency domiciliary. You know, your specific areas are council pen for. Ebi ni say you on Colombia sabe omu here protection. Tebia we di be 15 16 years. Omu pe baby de natna. Obetimi a high dine, a lease dine, and a to dine. Now they are start. Minim say Barnet Council LPB, minim say Barken and Dagenham LPB, Essex Council. Thurrock, LPB, even Lambeth, almost all the councils Pencrofor, ama accommodation, semi-secured accommodation. And if I bet me at now, bet me at Kwaba. And most of them, no, I am Mufi broken homes, and I say, or no more ABA within some money be by instead said in Beko prison, no, you don't know. And I say, will be a home for Encrofoa, or more disabled. And I say, will be a Juma, our way recruiting Crofoa. Wajy contract every council Kent council say minim say lansing mama obi nkrofo 50 disabled and aged okom fie ekosiesie omo ye aduane cleaning ma omo sa adwuma no wo bia na wajy CQC license yabeya inspection council approval CQC approval wo sa de ne bi wo social worker or manager and wa mo ye social worker. When you're social worker, employee or your special worker, or complex case manager. So, ultimately, yes, I don't know. Ultimately, license adding Crawford, I very easy, but I specialize in what person we are, person will be a Jumana, obey me about your best support from the initial stages through the registration process. I copem time, I bet your certificate in amount. No intimidating Crawford, but you bet me a manager or SMS na sponsorship management system. Non so amount. Send a bear. On Tom Rano, now we issue certificate in a bay. And to NC area, I am very good. I am Sagana for no care work in Yama. Ubet me a baby, ubet me a copper office. I did win your office. When your office, it can be from your home. Now why employ nkrofo from from outside cancel amount contract because every time be a cancel no contracts I'm on the man nkrofo I'm pen nkrofo I'm advertisers I'm pen nkrofo enti a good area and also me person me recommend the man nkrofo the other part you know with immigration applications priority service for students you know about all those all reduce numbers you know and also we have application now per priority service ubetimi just say utia be more is about £500 for the skilled migrant you know and now for other areas you know now we tia our normal fee no so aka ho and also ho a dey ba nti for now ne dey we any areas me pese me ka na obia aso.
Hey, Uncle Ben, some more the power. Yeah, ain't even the last but one they are okay. Anyway, here I'll check more break it down and let be no. Me did the same. With the me share that up special another edition. Now, yeah, no, I'll go a lot in details. I was adding because minim say in Crawford war you can say opportunity and also more capacity now betumi aye and I say they are capable of doing it but how to start sa beginning no baby or so mo fa niemo or so mo ye no eno na ya menka say laziness and I say yempe nyoma mfimfim mu ntino na de bia limit ye but senya we breaking it down kakra say it's a very great opportunity say ye ka say exploit na ye benya ye be establish edwuma na ma yetumi nso aboa nkrofo ama na abaye edwuma and senya wo kan nso I believe say ense nipa utie ya enye nipa ba ko nso ahoɔden na wo feel say wo nkwa wo de w'anim anase wo de ahoɔden kwa enso mbo a obetumi apɛ one or two people a mo share common goal I mean you have that common vision na mfa mo team bom na mo nya we sa ade yi a opportunity a be when mo na ya na ntafo no sebio me from ntafo ye nuanom other nation a mo grab opportunity at any way bi a ombenya no omo take it pa na omo take over na afa ye nso na nka ye betumi aye bi ne ye ntumi na afa na ye kopo omo ho mmoa abra we have this just in front of us. Uncle Ben, me request for a day or two for this particular thing. Na yen coffee da na yen hwe kwan a ebe tumi aboa afa so aboa yen community no so na mo benefit sa de. Nyame nhyira yo ye beko ye nimetie for senior Uncle Ben abetretre me gidi say otiwa o dwen ho ebeboa dwen ho na to ho na mo ebeboa o me gidi pa dwen ho na to ho na mo na ye ko ye nimu mo amaba Facebook ne so nyina nyame nhyira mo na medaso a esre mo na mo nhye na enko echi maye na oberema obrempon o say good morning Uncle Manye and viewers yenso ye jo so o say please share so no so bode ro na mo nhye good morning Uncle Ben and BWF Solicitors for great job Foster Fox no Richard Nana or say tutun so higher yenso ye jo so gifty echa intim ono so my good morning Richard Nana Sapon nso my good morning ene a ekoko so ye jimu nyina so na mesre mo share just not just in your contact ma mo share mo ko Facebook YouTube hon da bia na mo share expand view no na dodo na enya sa benefit efrim yo Uncle Ben ene ye be ko ye topic so na topic ye o say ye to ye bo ase na ye breaking it down say ye be ya ye beti ase ye because there are few terminologies in this when it comes to my spouse want to claim my pre-marital property in the UK and Ghana. What is the law on this? We have few terms here. We need demonanka we be so they are trying. Relationship when it comes to relationship, be a relationship or the other. It's only few more other motive by in name say when you be relationship more mojina odoso na modi akabo na mo kabo mo nso as time goes on na mo develop na mo de mutia bom say okay yenye bibi say yenye japade bi say empo no obi nso ansa na be relationship no san japade embia no no nso woni de dada na waye bi dada wonso oba so your boss no so waye ne de dada anampo mo relationship embia na nhye da anye awaresem na emo mpnatwi mu ane mo ho nkomonkomo ya ama nkwala nso akobem na enije mu amowo nso no matumi aye bibia kan bom no necessarily say te se wa shobi kawa minim se dodo na etisa na mom se koba ne se all these relationships say ba na emo abetiti a Nyoman nkiti be come into play. And see, and then me per se ye can what's the difference we have in the pre-nuptial agreement and then post-nuptial agreement a what relationship mo now how to make it effective, you know. And Anke Ben obe to me acheche ye mu kakra na yenhwe yenjina ya misra enidium.
Okay. Well, I mean, first of all, no, you can't say be a nuptial na if our home. Nti you can't nuptial vows, not just say our rare. So you can't be a prayer, not just say I don't know ba and sana our rear naba. And you can't see poster, not just say after. Nti prenuptial agreement, send a munim no. Agreement be a you sign and I prepare lawyer for prepare Emma ubia sabio or koware but bia or japade bia ne maame ana sabio ne ho kafo bia wawu or de agya because of ne ma enti no on pese sa japade no aware no ba na se aware no anko yi a ebe affect sa japade no ana se opeso ye nhihye bi obeka se okay sabio me wadwuma bia bia me ne me papa ana ebi adwuma no na me papa sesi a waka baabi enti wagye adwuma na mame enti me mpese sa adwuma wei sabio ye kwa aware mu se be ye yie de ba ye nyina nim se aware ni bi wo ho a e break it down enti me protect me ho for sa adwuma wei se na be ya dachi bia no relationship ni break it down a me ho kafo no ankɔgye bi enti ade a kyerɛ no se ayen hyehyɛ bi anase agreement a yade bo ye japade ho ban sana ye be che japade no se ba se awaregya aba anase sana ye nche japade no sana me japade a me de ba ana wo japade a wo de ba no wo be som sana be ya enye problem ye kasi post no ye se yasan aware na ye wo aware enim no bia na agreement na ye twero no niema bi wo ho a ye nsisi ni po yie enti ye nya opportunity se post-nuptial agreement no ye de besiesie ho ana se obi wo kra no wanye pre-nuptial ba omo ware ye no ne be bi ko a onye too happy interpersonal ye agreement no de protecting the properties no just be mindful say enye kro bia na gitum UK ye wo case law from the Grand Marshal throughout abesi ene Ghana and so it seems your judges no a bit conscious about prenuptial agreement. Osha case B to say a champion and a champion 1983. Osha case B to say Arthur and Arthur 2013 Supreme Court and a Court of Appeal. Judges know that a ban a kind and the other judges also raise the issue about premarital agreement and an agreement within the marriage. Enti obibeka sa Ghana no anya de a court and tanko court yehu bi sa court there but utie sa na judges no kasa particularly with article 22 of the constitution a ma emphasis say uwo awarem na munya property a mobom homode na munya property a sa property no eye mumienu modia ejapade a munya within the marriage no eye mumienu modia although say article 22 no put to emphasis why a contribution. But who cases are omaka se contribution no nye sika a wetia. Contribution ni betimi a se usi ukunu niema ohwe nkola wonu aduane wode nkola no ko school bia ukunu adwumenti wonu wuntimi nkɔ adwuma enti why a housewife sa provision na why a constitution ni mu nyina no sa de na wo ye no case of a champon case of Arthur and Arthur ni nyina sa contribution na why no physical contribution either monetary and say in kind no a contributed towards the asset and we put emphasis on this so won pese wo assets are what they ba wa worry nim no wo yire ana wo kun benya bia it is ideal so we be a prenuptial agreement yeah you saying UK Supreme Court UK Court of Appeal say first of all no e was say a ye America kra ansa na maware enti nya aka one day amoko ware aka 1 week amoko ware na waka say yen sign agreement say aware no gu a ska metue nyina e £5,000 ajapade a mekun wu ya ojama ame no wo nya bi anya sa na ye no yes, it should be in time before the marriage. Anything 3 months and beyond, no, a fair. Ebiom, I was said two parties in enya legal advice, independent legal advice. Independent, and say they all advice be no, and you no advice your bar. Independent. It may be the same law firm, but a different solicitors or more. But ideally, no messages say munye no different firms. Na obano engine advice. Na obema no so engine advice. The entire America sa ne say. So when yes under English law no very difficult say your courts no ebeje sa prenuptial agreement na tum. E was say moye sure nso say onipa na all sign onimade a all sign. Enti se nipa no nte brofo ana na kenkan we kire a e was say akan ama no in the language a ote ase se na be ya o de ye adwuma a obi beka se oh me kire wase case bi a ye Jamaica ni a one Ghana ni e call Ghana Jamaica ni no nte twi ano nte nkran but engagement and as a customary marriage a omokoye no it was purely Ghana and twi Jamaican in excuse a reported court of appeal case na me involved case of Millwood versus Alfonso Brown mobetimi read high court judgment no by his honor Judge Singer I call court of appeal. Sir, judgment, no. The only reason tia yanji antum say aware ne say Jamaica no. Ade omode ye ceremony ni nyina na ye twi ni nkran, onti twi ni nkran. Obi anso interpreter ma no. Enti court ne say aware ne nya aware. Now just remember say in that case no ba ni lose potentially 20 properties. Papa na no your sofo no or one ko ba ne betimi de agibi. But because say omanka brofo at the ceremony ni nti no Jamaica ni say wante ase. I don't know what can say case. It was a case that I was involved in. Now me advice say Obane solicitors. Unfortunately, no advice I am no or man for. Yeah, the court of appeal and then also almost dismiss a case. No, a biom upesa ye prenuptial agreement. Ye sure say Obano needs is catered for. Bermani needs is catered for. Until only Oban kowo 2, 3. Now on kasa adwuma bia meye bia daachi bia ana eske bia me wo ana property bia me wo no me ma obi because within the UK English law no your case law say under section 25 of the Matrimonial Causes Act no so wo ware na ware no gu a oba na ba ma no owo tumi say ye hwe no say ba wo mu a ene ye tumi no so kra important post nuptial. Just remember, say again, no independent advice from 2 independent lawyers are yes specific to the issue at stake. Obibeka say, na lawyer ade a wo Kenya metimi de akọ Ghana. At the moment, no yenya case law bia ye de akọ. But utie nsama judges na ka e free be a friend a ratio descendi and answer ratio stare decisis. There are 2 concepts in law. Ayasama judges na ka utimi de hwe ba bia case no ko na wo de aye determination say in future no case we ba say no mbeka in both supreme at the both Supreme Court and Court of Appeal no Justice Dateba Justice Doche omo nyina omo ye emphasis to pre-agreed marital contract pre-agreed marital contract am omo kan say wo ba omo anim na mo wo pre-marital contractor a kire say we be say we be fa say a almost say a very likely say omo be so sa asem ni mama enti both applicable in English law and it is potentially applicable in Ghana so what issues with Ghana be hu ye na ye hwese de betimi ayama.
Wow. Yeah, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. Watch it, mu amayati ase na mom o kasa no nsam kakra bi e wo ho ansa na yakọ next question ne so no say eba ni sa pre nuptial no say eno no sisi ano momienu mo age atum ansa na moye na say after that's where my question is coming the post one no embia initially no one person and disclose a whole lot of ne ejapade owo ana say nioma owo ansa na mo ware enti afe na ma ware wie no ena all declare na mode mayesa nuptial agreement no e wo so na ekoba ne se mo mienu mo mpene so a ana se empo no se wo embia yemfa ne se obema no na wako hu se oba no ma ode betu dwa se ye agree on it se we be ye media we nya odia we ye media no wo hu se embia edoso ana se enye transparent ewo so a agreement betumi akoso ana se enkoso me hu se watimi ase a se embia nyoma a wo de kire na ansa na mo agreement no mienu akoso no wagide edebi na mbia one person akohu say enye no krese ne wo de eba board no sa na etia anke ben eno no agreement ne betumi akoso ana
Absolutely not. First of all, no, in law, no, you're free be kanda, and I said no credit. And TBBA we be, I was so didn't correct. So we financial settlement, from E and our financial statement, you know, part of the declaration, our say, Bibia watch our habia, I no correct, into so our dime, you know, I no correct, also our dime and sign, so also what they cut 50,000 and son our bar, I no correct, also was tax and debenture. Say na welfare ɛyɛ no correct say under your law no say mo even mo court na judge your judgment about financial settlement na ekyire no ba na bema no no ko hu say when declare what assets ni nyina it's one of the reasons you betimi be judgment no setting aside a new judgment ye ni de bia enti say when you be a prenup na when your disclosure ni year contract na list items are owo the stocks are listing in it is ambema, of course, and you're part of the agreement. And it's open for distribution. And I say a bit media omumubako. That is why it's important. Say yeah, draft agreement now. Be a we be an obema. It is a watcher well. Now, o lawyer, o catcher, and say major padini. First of all, idea what they share contract in him. A idea was say a yawodia. Say yawodia, it cannot be part of the contract. Enti ayawodia or interest, either beneficial interest or legal interest. Both are interest that will be to me a claim. Enti say we want interest or asset be one can, that becomes a problem. The whole idea of prenup, sometimes is to protect inheritance. It's protect inkola. Because any no obi wa na ni kun anana yere aka baby. Or ma be management amaniska. We see it all the time. Ebi a obano ma mienu miensa be manager insurance amount worth about £500,000. Now obano ko ware fofra. Says can obano gia because omo yen kola no wono na account. Enti sa ware jai ba etimi be mani timi ka say okay needs requirement under section 25 within the case law of matrimonial causes act ope say uji 500 nibi. But say we oba ana be ma na oyere ana ukun ewu. Not because of that, property be able to do what. Oh, quite worry from. I was able to protect our property, especially so one ma because I didn't know man dear, when one man dear from old relationship and I say baby our year and now uku. That is why yen feel say prenup agreement and yen for iska for pet. For relationships sabio obi e won kolada da or bem and now where Japan so na munim no Ghana. Obi wo ho a ye man of farms, cocoa farm, and I say palm farm, and any farm. Obi nso wo ho a or inherit ni papa fee, and ani maami fee. Sa ne ma ne nyina within your English law no. Sa wa rejai ba, ubetimi claim bi. All those say inherited and our premarital asset no. Where there is need for it no. Judge betimi aka say yibi ma. But say a prenup, you can protect it. Ubetimi protect it sa asset no. And a business na o papa o mame o yiri bi a wawu ana ukun bi a wawu di agya no you can protect all those for omano se na be ya daachi bia no problem mba. The other thing na obetimi aye last meka ye fra bibi declaration of trust utimi create trust among kola no na sa assets no wo de share trust ni we adwuma a ubehu ye a ye betimi aye ni nyina ama
anke ben wacheche mu ye pa menim se mre no ekọ but ade we ehia me you made mention of will and menim se will no so no oba betimi aye ne will obema nso betimi aye ne will but when it comes to prenup no mo mienu na mo gi atom se saade a mede ba aware mu eye media nti se nkebe ya bibi besi na aware ni ni ho biom a eno no is protected eno enka nyoma say aware no mu ebe share no eno yɛka ne sɛ me kɔ so mpakyɛ me producer obi de nneɛma bi abɛgu so wobɛtumi ablɔke nipa ko no ama me anka ɛbɛyɛ me dɛ paa na yɛnkɔ yɛnim na enti no will na mayɛ no mayɛ will ama mbi a my inherit property bi efiri me busuafoɔ hɔ ansa na me ba aware mu nti no me will a mayɛ no ma secure those things no ewo will no mu akyecha ma bi a memba anaasɛ baby a ɔsɛ ɛkɔ enti ɛno saa no if I'm coming to the marriage na me pɛ sɛ ɛyɛ prenup anaasɛ postnup na me will na mayɛ no mpakyɛ kwan bɛn na metumi ɛde ne mmienu nyinaa ka bɔ ma abra affect nkwalaa no in any way anaasɛ will no still stands na ɛno bɛyɛ outside the prenup na ayɛyɛ na mpakyɛ hɔ no me ho say ubeti me ase achichi mu kakra ma me.
Okay, well first of all no prenup. Prenup ade for aware.
Okay.
Will ade for wo. The two different things. Okay. Will no it's only effective so we wo. Prenup no effective so we ya. Both are totally different.
Exactly.
What you say? Enti se wo bibi na ye wo de a na wo pese wo di gya wo ma again no se wo ni wo kun eto property ana wo ne wo yere ana wo ne wo mpena because mo kwa akware a sometimes no mo relationship mo plan mo to properties a it's always better se mo be hold the property no as tenants in common because eno no basa na obia e wo ne share ewom enti e protect wo interest no but ayaniema say yen sorry preko nkoto property ni obi nkoto property I will say we nya lawyer no advice so because you feel is TR1 na I transfer document I call and registry no when declare we interest in whom sometimes you know nipa ne ba ku timi fa important say obey protection especially wo nkola wo de abema most marriages stay happy most marriages stay happy but unfortunately no significant number of marriages ain't stay happy. It break it down. So as American, it also applies to worry. Ain't him say even the Supreme Court in Ghana admits there were situations in Crawford relationship, permanent relationship, unmarried. Both under Ghanaian law and under UK law, no, they seem not to have protection. And that is why last mechanic cohabitation agreement always important. So when you be kotna on worry no, but more yama dear to say kune yere, but mon worry ya. Bibia mo ye biano, I was some way agreement faho, na lawyers assign effect no to say prenuptial agreement no. Enforceable because I a contract under common law. Enti ubetimi I enforce our contract no.
Okay. Me da say you moving to your next question for your next question na enche na afi me be telephone lines na mamo na monsoma be bisa monsem ebe mbia na o question no enche da emfa we ho anya hwe utumi bisa question bia efa nyoma yeta eye na ho anke no Ben me next question no me bisa how to compel your unmarried partner to pay child maintenance or give their property to the children. How do you do that?
Okay.
When him say explanation now am I kakra no obi dream kofeda obehu but u break we so down kakra de maya kebe pa.
Okay, I mean first of all no sa ade a ye buy for unmarried partners. Unmarried partners because married partners no more protection under section 25 of the matrimonial causes act both in Ghana and the UK. So our warrior even your constitution no protect or Ghana article 22 a protect. Emphasis on omon worry and we have significant numbers of families both UK and Ghana omon worry but omote. So we UK na one bema bi ajai na emma wo mo a the first thing is we call child maintenance support CMS for na omo aboa no magiska about but anya de bia no mo successful enti bi wo ha omo hu be ma ne sika be ma ne declare ne sika yie ebi wo kra be ma ne tu akotena America, ebia Florida, and our Kotena Ghana. Your friend be a friend in REMO, REMO, reciprocal enforcement of maintenance orders. Reciprocal enforcement of maintenance orders. Ghana, any UK, there will be a friend of reciprocal of maintenance orders. It's about cost and finance and as judgment debt. Enti, se wo bema wadwane akotena Ghana, enye wukun wan ware ne da, ba one wo ma. Yesi bra, yebeye application ama under Schedule 1 of the Children Act of 1989 as amended. Sa Schedule 1 say, se wuni obi ewo ba, na mon ware, na akola no ohia sika, odibedidi. Ohia obese obetua ni school fees. Ohia se obenya dan atenem. Na wo wuni se sika no, wo means no ntimi supporto. But na mo bema no ana oba no wo sika, ana wo dan a obetimi age ama akola no. Ana se ni means no ye search say obetimi ama far above the CMS child maintenance support for no ebetimi age ama wa. Omo se obetimi aya application. Time I application here anytime after the relationship breakdown or during the relationship kora utimi yes application. So who partner a week or more than £3,000 and for be bridge more than 3,000 child support for and a child maintenance for no omuntimi just can free say any panel above omo jurisdiction until was say court. Obi wo ho na ne mba private school. Bema ne se me de ska metua ne child support de no ya agree entie bia a week or GM fan say bia £5,000 a week, 3,000, 4,000 pounds a week, and even 2,000 pounds, and even £1,000 a week. Akola no ko private school, ebi also to xylophone, also to school uniform, also to shoes. And your normal school, omo uniform ne bo edin. Be man say me de £500 a me de mao a month and no na metua. But a month no ni pay no, yes, we hear ni pay na ebi 500 or so the mao. But akola ni bebete. Akola no here so be school. Ebi akola no wo autism to special school. Ain't because of the disability in it's one of the cases ubetimi aye application under Schedule 1 of the Children Act. And the sa nipa na oyes application. So wa brochire kra ubetimi aye. Me say nipa no wo Ghana and America na Ghana ne England ne Wales. Ye wo reciprocal agreement on maintenance orders and our judgment debts. And you betimi aye enforce no Ghana. What they call Ghana High Court now register order na omekwa akoje. Where a funny education no and as support for akola disability no. Again ubetimi de court under Schedule 1 where nipa no pesika putu obi na ode aye bibi for akola no ubetimi age. Eye important say a man and mema no yeti ase say relationship ni break it down any say akola no suffer because most often than not no mema no a omo tue sika no obeka se me de metimi atue ni bia na oje mo me so makọ ware oba afoforo nti me ne oba no ewo man nti de betimi enso sabio woni oba we ti no na bia utua oba no private school fees ana se utua ne xylophone ana se ne piano ne sa na ema no sa law we e ma utumi se wo betimi ama bema no ana oba no aba betua se sika no ana se waje ne dan afiri ho ama oba no bear in mind se waje ne dan na akwara no betena dan nim up to 18 and answer so co university up to so be university no na dan no akọ back to papa no anama me no dan no won fa ba wo je dan na ma akola na atenem ade a yetaye enti se opi pesa support no so a obetimi abane aboa no
asem ne yesiro ense ni bresempa mema no dodo na edwane efre ano o se ne metumi ani sisi ade ye hu law no na misre mo se o me se ne anka ben explanation de my na ye program sa bo repeat neti na ebeboa o se nkwala be mo nko ade it's just for the benefit of the children enye wo oba no anase wo be ma no intanke ben na che se even po ekoba ne se awareja ni ba nam kwala no nso akodi be ma ne ho a or so oba no nso shows our maintenance we na say it's only the other way around pacho
de bia meka no most cases, Obama, but yes, in some cases, Obama no your primary carer of the children. Obama no what means. Enti Obama a businesswoman doing extremely well. To no cry and kolano koniku no cry na any day. Say on na jai enti omo ye relationship omo with two. Bema na hwe nkwa on ye na adwuma. E bi a businessman ko Dubai, or China, or Turkey, akotena Ghana, or ne baby papate. Bra, ebetimi ama na tua de wo sen kola no mutua or dan a ebetimi age dan na man kola na one kola na akotenam na wa hwe no nso aye ne business no.
Me daste. Near me niente a meso anke be wonti maase na minim bisa pa sisi ankola ne gu be mane so. E na oba no se ne a wo describe ne sa che se ono de o si ma ye free no twa ne dwuma. Na de bia be me na obesua se ne anu aduane se ne aye sei na ombo modia enhwe nkwala no. Nti de bia na enya se oba no na eye victim na nkwala na begu omo so me hu bi pa nti na me twetwe sa no ye tiefo ye beda masia nka be beda ase na sesi a maybe telephone lines no se ne nkomo no ebe ma tiefo no nso etumi adjoin ne yen telephone lines a ye di dwuma no ensesa ye the same ye 0208 123 1016 no ofra mejo so kama anke ben be ma moaye anaso obetumi afre 0739920848 eno so obetumi afre na same bi opese obo voice note no na ewo WhatsApp ukọ WhatsApp number no so a na we mia ade na microphone na ewo ho no akasa tititia eno nso metumi abọ na ankeben etie bia na ofre na onya mukwan a obetumi akọ na we ja message mebo ama eno no 07596620 misa isisu biem 07596620 na wonso we ja message kama na ya ba ama enti mebie telephone lines no na yenhwe yenwe no so se obi me can say papa bi edi or ye advert free e wo yen line so na say just a short message kran kan fa ho so nsam tintinti o de egu so nti producer utumi yi ne free so ho ma me a e be me de pa me ho message pe na me ye mo ahye me enti na yenko ye ni BWF Solicitors na eni omo edi dwuma ye nya papa senior partner Uncle Ben na ene oni go through legal education ne mo no enti mesrewa mombo modern na mo share na ye hu ne ye be ye hu. Okay, Obibi, so say good morning Uncle Ben. How long can you do the live in the UK test before you start your naturalization application, please? Question, how long? Okay, how long? But how long can you do your life in the UK? Life in the UK need you say usiana ukotra now pass ya now they are starting, but the certificate can be there. Certificate need the expire once a watra wa pass no and no but say your English test na now Canada English test need the utra you can say within 2 years now you have to use it. So when to me use it within 2 years there after 2 years now expire so sign year for from na mom say we use within 2 years no best to me as say you so and no dey aye bibi foforo, so it depends. But I don't know say Uncle Ben can bibi kakra wo ho so there e dey amawa Uncle Ben pacho
Sana wakane no ano no life in UK na expire ubetimi aye no a month before, a year before, 2 years before. Advice the man is as early as possible because sabi enye nyina na aben obi wa akwa na wakofeli se be ya emma we indefinite nche and as a nationality nche but English no dey so when you use English no da for a successful application aya 2 years na ewu and intina me advise you be as so what your application you say beginning your A1 next one A2 final one your B1 media ubetimi a your B1 no because what the successful application it doesn't expire to ubetimi use no forever all those we do nationality time maybe a D5 years and I D6 years it will not expire so what the successful application
Okay, yo, yeah, that's it, Uncle Ben. May send me a telephone line 0208-123-1016 or 073-9920-8466. Mr. Mona, Monfrena, Monfa, questions and Embra. And talking of B1, yeah, they know, they be a footwear, and near Uncle Ben, I can. Uncle Ben, I never quite mean who a war system anymore say, who register for the test now, especially with Trinity College Hano, or register for test now. Ayana omo bisao what you need the you can saying that test no for. And to say, oh, can say MBA, ope your friend is saying, almost show stages of your status, no, near and to say initial one that dear okay no. They only give you the A1 no, and I say okay say extension now they only present you A2 no say no now say oh yeah enti no na ye ma omo say oh you can do the B1 yes B1 obetumi aye but say oh go through the system ni processing na na school no omo aye centers na ye in such a way say wo way no the stage a wo de koye adekode no immigration way na de koye no eno portal na be bia ma na omama wa register exams no but when it comes to IELTS no ewo Ghana na say B1 ne dia I think say eno de wo ne wo pen even though amount broad explanation and I say definition of things I will be to me use sa B1 no for it is a wow opt for eno dia eno dia I think say kwan da ho a obetumi use so e de aye wo migration ho nsem no yenya question back ko ha main kind of quickly na yenhwe o send ba WhatsApp ne so okay ma menhwe ne quickly na yenhwe o say good morning. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Good morning, Manya. See, please, I hold a 5-year resident permit card, and I have given birth. I want to find out if I have to apply a visa for my newborn. But the question or no?
Yes, it depends. Say, was a 5 years visa card. I assume say a biometric card. And TB or 5-year route, so either as a partner or a parent. So sanity, a colano papano or a there or a British and our indefinite leave. So a British and our indefinite leave or bano a British citizen. Ain't or GBJ British passport bano one yet. Card ni be mano. But se mumienu nyina moye limited leave to remain and I'm on a temporary basis. Na chese wo beji bia mano, wo be passport. Amano na wo de age biometric card ni bia mano.
See, order for wa masum patoma. Good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, my auntie baby a okase free uchi Uncle Ben and now do asem night to drama why?
Yo, Minasi. Yo, me pacho me kase from Northampton. Michia Uncle Benny Ebusa Fuina.
Okay.
Me pacho dem pese me busa ne se me Sunday my former wife na me nene wo. But see ade I say you ni honum.
Okay.
Ebio. Sunday is kasa won tasase. Na in second sikano okoye indenture no odimidin kwa na ehye so.
Ono ni din.
Ono ba no di na ehye so. Plot no 2 types of plots.
Okay.
Mini na odimidin na ehye so. One mommy amanye me kofi answer na e kwato say we dis adwuma no.
Okay.
Busa no o say wonya we nipa no ye pipa no. Na sense we nimu ni nti. And or this said in the share so.
Okay.
Me person busa Uncle Ben say, and in that case, no, it bet me affect say. Sisiano, acquire mansion. I just say, yen register as me call me quite register. Tiafino Muguso mo yes search. Nanka, betina register. Yeah, Nidia question and then channel so na kwamba so na speak to password. Registration also no because I think say they based on the indenture now on their registration.
Okay.
10% Uncle Ben Chimu kakra emame.
Yo.
Yere na. Oya we yere. Manya otimenka.
Oh, as I said, the yoke, as I said, yoke, and see a man should not go here for body because of
No,
the.
me say oba no ye wo yire ana.
Me pacho ane.
Ana mo twen asase ne ho manso.
See, me moment na me twin in a sense, man, you're happy. Mra me poto no no didn't the ashes so.
Okay.
Happy.
Okay. Well, I mean, sir, a straightforward rectification and also obey a correction. Indenture no a contractor. Wakoto asase free obi ho na nipa no assign contract amount sa asase we me dey afemo for 50 years and 100 years and amato amount kra. So si Ghana lands no dodo na a leasehold nti e be amount 99 years leasehold. Nipa na assign sa ade no ono na asase ne ne dia. Nti mistake aba we nya land registry ayekoye registration. I was some go back to nipa na oton asase no na osesa edin was a very simple thing. Se nipa no se onsesa so we yire no se onsesa then I don't know a raise issue no. But say we yire no besesa dey I mean who say a big problem. A error mo betimi asesa na as soon as possible. Why?
Oh, okay. Okay. But Obama in TSC say ensesa eno na kwaye ntawantawa kaka.
Okay.
But land no so you nti mpesa nka me mana ba ko na me mefa ba. But say me mini now the ashes.
O pache say o pese ono ma obaako na ono nso fa baako. Sa de na wo no ni din mu nti de na o ma no baako na ono ma obaako. Sa o man is ka so nkoto. First thing me pese obi ate ase ne say ma ware aware either say Ghana aware and I say UK aware mo acquire property during the marriage eye mo mienu mo dia. Okay? Eye mo mienu mo dia. Sa na Ghana law ka, sa na UK law ka. Although say Ghana law no article 22 of the constitution no at the emphasis baso say e was say contribution. But contribution it could be say wo be man wo na wo fie hwe nkola. Ana oba no eno aduane hwe nkola. Sabi o mema ni bi wo ho a omo yere no to omo ntare esi omo ntare no aduane ma omo hwe nkola obi wo ho a ogyae adwuma obi wo kro ye adwuma o se o meye part time menye full time sa ade ni nyina ye contribution enti the fact say oba ne di ne din ahye so no nkere se ono nko ana dia ba nka eye proper se nka wo Ghana no se na be ya case no nkoda Ghana court enche ana UK court na won say iska no stage a obetimi asesani nti se wo proof a nipa na okoto wo no ho kono ho na wone no nkokasa na ono nso ne oba no nkasa ana se fra mediators ana fra busuafo na montena ase na monhwe na mon resolve we nya de a e wo say kudu land registry because omunya register title na o kosesa a cost and a time me start bi 10-15 years na nse ya no mutimi ayama me it's about 2 years ago enti obetimi a resolve no before resolve no why
Machi.
Okay.
That's
okay.
So, yeah, odo be ye na ode o isika mo yire nte. Na asase na yemfanye insidan. Well, obi asem ya na ya reho to do bia. Ba yentu ye hofo wonyo ma bi se mo. Embia na ato nua ene unim se ochina wo na ebeto. Yenhwe yenya message ba ko wa ha na yenhwe
Lawyer Mamu, good morning. Me pacho, me bisa question ya ma me cousin baako Ghana. Afe na waware a okoye registration, marriage by ordinance. Na obi ka say that certificate na yede ye spousal visa no. E also ode call foreign affairs no koye legalization eto so. Nti me pese me hu say ampa sɛ ɔyɛ saa anaasɛ only the ordinance certificate no okay ma no a meda mo ase.
Okay. Pacho, Uncle Ba, what's the question now?
But I mean, first of all, requirement be any wholesale legalization. So what the document free Ghana ba once I a valid institutional issue, you know, okay. But sometimes, say, obi wa or a court minister of foreign affairs, normal boleta to so. Now, judicial service, normal boleta to so. Usually for customary marriage, you know. For ordinance marriage, and the friend of church marriage, and civil marriage, you call the registry, you know. I don't know here, sad. We green marriage certificate, tin visa, no. I know we here now the our application and say applications, you know. We are photocopy, no upload, no. Na omuashe enti here. But say a customary marriage there, a new process, you know, a court foreign affairs, a court judicial service, na ABA, AMA, na KMA, na say TMA, and whatever, no. Oma boleta so nice na ya kama. Yeah.
Okay. You Uncle Ben that's it. And so na me come next question no. Ba ku bi nso wa ha waseni amame. Ni nsam ne nyina ne se oye mame penimu e wo kromu ha. Oni mfi ode ma me se sisi awonya 64 years na oni status bia e wo kromu anti no ya yenim asetena se ne emotie. Neni afi sisi a na onka opese otwentwen so a na mfie 20 years we no nanka onfa eno and start wo ho nti oni otwend the next 6 years so benya 20 years no aye sa after 20 years long stay application no afen so on hwe say ni age no wenya 64 no wo say otwen for 20 years na nsa na ebetime ye ho bibi ama no afen so no osan bisan so say ni age na owe senka or apply for care route bia because or nanka oye ocheche for e wo back home ti nanim de e wo soro kakra enti no so oye care we ni bia ni age na enwe ni say wenyi dodo nti ye mfa no wo care adwuma ni mu ana nanka onfa no embi na onya working permit na onfa ntena krom anti ne question be bre no bisa me na misi well meti hu kakra e bisa na obema ye 50 bi wo ho na ya hwe ne ebe patro.
Okay, first of all, want to me apply for care route for skilled migrant ewu kromoha. Because no one near sitting and care route no available to or no. I have for nkrofo legal residence, either as a student or temporary migrant on another basis. Tourist and our visitors. Yeah, I mean, first of all, you know, the age 60, 64. 64, you know, you're still very young. Crawford Bray 64, under your law, no, your free be private life. Private life, you know, I 10 years private life and 20 years. 10 years, you know, you're almost matanaha legally for 10 years. And 20 years in here for almost matanaha illegally. And both legal and illegal. No more they mix it. I will so 20 years. No. The entire tesane say we 20 years now. We application now. I am very likely so may refuse you. Now yes, we application no kwa. I was say we sure say who will prove say every year be now wo kromo ha no. Oh evidence and out here. The first evidence here or passport I would ra kromo ha. Oh ticket no ho a fa no so ka ho. To passport no ho. Your visa a wom. Your stamp or Ghana or free Ghana. Most people any sa passport no and I saw man fa kwa pass on a buy but I am passing what 20 years. And I advise say official documents, gas, water, electricity, council tax, NHS letter, bank statement, be as an amini asset and bank statement. In be accounts with answer and answer mobile yirimu. Sane man ho GP or GP letter. Ebiom me pese me ma obi ate ase say utimi ko GP wuni asset na mama me emphasize biom wo kromu ha na wuni asset na utimi ko GP eye baabi a yentua sika yengi sika yenhwe passport ade a yehwe eye proof of address no so it can be anything. It can be letter obi a trauma and abela udin also. Just be mindful. So we need proof of address no mutimi register temporary. Minim the enti ankrofo bebre so mini GP mini asset na no. So uko GP na o start ebisao proof say for our setena bra report no because uko GP a yɛnhia asetena enti mo a mo yɛ 20 years long residence no GP a very good area obi a onim sɛ obɛyɛ 20 years no ma ho sɛ at least every 3 months biara no wo de free GP na kɔ hɔ wo de frɛ no sɛ na bɛyɛ obɛnya record uti ya oya also uti ya oya 2 days bi obɛtwerɛ ato so yɛ request wo SAR and as a subject access record and our report now under both the Data Protection Act and as the other new law about 2020 now. Yetimi request here. Times our friend wako ho nyina no. Ubom sa abaso tintintin. Na uja mema ni bebre na yenta nko GP. Ebi a 7 years crown on fa ho. Eye good say nyame ama wo ahoden. Pasa wo de beye bibi a mesra wo starting ko ho. Wo de uti ya oya wanya code o hwene rane kakra. Untimi na kra wo de fa ho. Kasa GP mintimi na nanse omo ye telephone consultation. Wo de buku telephone ni bi. Na on you see GP be 3 days ne me da 2 hours and 3 hours. No wa twere obetwere ato obekasa obi a ye gym na break kakra ko ye swimming ana ase bibi. Ni nyina aboa na wo record no emu edumu mu time a wo de 20 years na wetimi ayusu e de aye.
People should take advantage of it, you know. Me who say be mu TikTok now more the Instagram. Say all this short information. What me aye na with the educated public, you know. E dey amaye na hominti kakra, you know. It's good to have a good health, but for record sake and also for documentation sake in this country, you know, at least something should show say you are in the system. Into know some of the things that will show any near Uncle Ben actually more by contacting your GP because they record from what they record the time or the fray and somehow will be say at the opposite doctor na they write it down na afei no about record so ebeboa yentie we voice note ya ewa he yentie no so pacho. Oh, sorry.
Mama, good morning. Me pacho, my sister. Enche kura no be worry.
Oh, sorry. I think say my boy we that me born next one. Miss Ramo trying ho kakra na trying ho share enti no was a baso no me twen say ebe load ewie no yen hwe few questions sometimes em say na internet no aye low kakra yeguso ewa ha mesre mo mombo modern na mon share program no na enkwechire mon share ma ye na enkwechire na yetumi ehu ne yeye ho yo Facebook mesra me da mo nyina ase mo amaba so gift a cha in team or see we are hitting the globe ye da nyame ase ohene tofo nso say greetings ohene ye jewo so ye nso ye jewo so ohene share ma ye why odin no aye me obi bese em say first time me hu odin ti ba modern wa be kan busia no share ma ye na obi nso enya ehun fa so Emmanuel Johnson or say greetings from Northampton yima yeda say Louisa Asante Amuamami yete wonka che me gidi say ohun ye na ye war gifty a chance so ba so say let's share the link sir na Don Ike boating the small question be about yen say so how long does it take to get a decision on standard care visa application standard care standard care visa care visa application yo Uncle Ben mpacho ye wo emre eda ho ana.
First of all, so we are in country skilled migrant, sub-route of social and health care now. It varies between 24 hours and 8 weeks. The aya out of about 50 aya this year, no, about a quarter of it the 8 weeks or more, but most of it within a week and 4 weeks. So we are free Ghana. Omo Ghana ne nyina no acha within a month no my decision no ya be 2 weeks omo ye sa skilled migrant route ne nyina enche because omo person crofo be ye adwuma ne nti no omo hwe ne ntem ade a ma ne che no say bi a wamfa wo niam ne nyina anko ba ku bia no pay me ba say ala tani bia ye ne case no omo ka so for proof of cohabitation with Nigeria because ono no ye carer no into wa worry oba or genatna ha evidence or the buy 1 month. I didn't say 3 months. And I will cash each other NT almost a bisabium. I don't delay applications. No. But I said 3 months, or the 3 months call. And as a way application, what is evidence in a core, a bois ama a call in temtem.
And Uncle Ben, and no, sir, no, main diverty and topic, but I know, sir, when you made mention of cohabitation, yeah, would the be not just say, near normal a stress and now or more a worry, oh, fee, and I say, because all no, our men or no need men care, and no, a hand or ya, and I saw no so ye free fin, a banner fin or didn't hear any barber kind of home.
Okay, case ya make now as a student on a year in a buy. Anti or no or yaman a year. Anti, yeah, Tomo Hase.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay. Matthew, I say, me that say, you yambo affair na your message, you know, a load amaye, yambo in temptum na ye hunie.
Me pacho, good morning. Me pacho, me pese me bisa say. You can say so the student visa ba. No ye kasan or can be business so be draw after 6 months. Company now sponsor no ubetimi ako different company without say own sanji any sponsorship bia. Na me pacho say wo free one now ko different company. Dear na esa wo ye esa wo bo home office for amane. This is a company we na omode me bae no. Me no omu ni hobi na say me ne company we na eye adwuma. Na eba saa na saa contract na omode be ma wo no. Esa oma home office for ya aware na new contract na obekọ mo na new company na obekọ mo no. Esa oma home office for ya aware na. Ebi osusu me pese me bisa say so wo ye Accra and we any dependent on any family member. Now in case it's we full timer or 5 years in a so still now you will still need the person near to support you and in case it says I won't in the pan only the pan address in moment. So no ube here ni pan near na wodi asopporto ananse still no ehese woni nipa no eti address baako so because sana matete ne say ehese woni nipa ne tena address baako so but enipa no a make na asemi oye full time or tin address is separate onte ne maame no address so enti me pacho obetimi anya effect on it ana me pacho eno na me pese me hu eno so me damase.
Okay. First of all, main card. So we student now baha. Ubeti me jai. And I main can say, oh yeah, Jumama will be for fra. I did America a scaled up visa and ever start Monday. To be any hasa. Scaled up. Me updates no. A new visa ever started on Monday, 22nd of August. So our scaled up visa no, for experts and highly skilled migrant. Company no sponsor wa ubedu ha 6 months utimi ja company no ekoye adwuma foforo without sponsorship, which means that we have to catch the home office. Enti enye student na mekan ana menkan bibi foforo. Me say scaled up visa, scaled up. I was saying Nipani 33,000. I was saying we have English language. I was saying over 18. I was saying Nipani mu ansa no benya license no. Over the last 3 years, every year the income grow by 20% in HM revenue and I be confirm so I don't know. HM start Monday. To be anyhow or what service no. I thought I should clarify that. The second one no, about dependent family member and a dependent relative. So aspect there's a requirement for dependency. To whom mommy and our papa jawotna ha na wunya D21 from that age I will say we depend on mama no. Na ukoye adwuma ba ko be ba manim this week. Oye adwuma onya 1,700 a month. Ne papa say omano £200 a month. 1,700 one or hwe. And those are the things I was say you're mindful. We won't say yeah bar sometimes maybe a nipa na obey application amano no. Ebi I will explain it. And also explain it cry na nipa na mfa no ho. Onye PA ya okonya pocket lawyers catching so there be utimi ye adwuma no. Of course, a good say we adwuma. But remember, say we say we dependent. Dependent no financial dependent and sometimes emotional. The entire case montana mbom ne say motiboma very easy to prove dependency. Mamini tua rent, otua mortgage, otua council tax, otua water bill, otua light bill, otua aduane. So our receipts ni nyina no because we ti fie wa wo show no. So on first kakra to account ma obetim dia. But advice I dey man say be account baako be a savings account. Na wo maame ana wo papa busumi bia no onfa sika a ode hwe wo no onfa ntum. Na 5 years no so na wo koye wo application na because we over 21 no was a prove dependency. Ana we nua ana abusua no when your family member na was a prove dependency no when you sa evidence no na wo de akere.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, Uncle Ben. Yen share background so aha. Oh dear. Yen share and the numbers again to call na what board ne so upe say uja your message and so bit me there about voice note ne so na ya bo amount. Akwashe. Okay. Member when so ninti.
Hello, Uncle Ben. Good morning. Mpacho, my question no. Obi ebisa kakra but me pese me ochemu kakra chairman. Me kita 5 years resident permit, biometric one. Ba me a family member of EU. Ni me papa na ye family EU ni no. Na mawo ba mpese me ho se manye passport anaasɛ ma apply card ni bi ama no for now because me to kwan na me try na menya 5 years or 3 years aka me 2 years na menya ma apply for settled status no sɛ pɛsɛ me try na menya indefinite na ma apply ma akwala no pɛsɛ me ho sɛ me manyɛ passport ne na mangye visa ni bi ama na ebe affect no stay in akwala ne stay in UK ana me da ase.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, so wo akwala wa ha onye illegal da. Onye illegal da. Or visa oni visa ontimi nye illegal. But I advisable say wa wono no obeba de ne ho be kire because application are free. Untua he enti e better say wo be ye amano. But the other part ne say wo pese wo ya age say wo koje passport amano. Enti that is the only thing. But say wo pese wo twen 2 years now we are indefinite na what the ejema akola na ay okay. Also remember say nipa na wugina ne so no so we indefinite say you kun ana wo papa ana wo maame a because say akola no ye ne ba ana say eye ne nana no so we indefinite akola no nya indefinite straight away enti enye limited leave to remain eno na ye wo say ohwe you know but choice ne ye wo so wo pese wo ye ne sisia o wo pese wo ye ne daben o. It's up to you, sir. Ube decide.
Okay. MCCC ade obenya entiate mu na ya share. Emreno is just 7 minutes to the hour 11. Yegusu ye wa ha obetumi the question no assign aba numbers ne so 020812310116 and as 073 99208466. Sounds now bit me giant WhatsApp note and our WhatsApp message. It was 07596620154. Now, Uncle Ben, you are not fefefe the amount. Uncle Ben, yen share question be a abaha. And I mean, the kind embo we say a loady area na yen share no. Question be aba oka sa you can say sponsor yi na say ni pa kono watro de aba phone so na obisa say sɛ sisi no I think say me per se a request for a session on this particular one a new one yeah balancing for the skilled highly skilled one now you just explain and I say skilled up, yes, that's the word. And I say MBA quimpo for any job now and also came across no. Now you share a little bit details na maybe some or no near all patch and say okay or see unka or no away juma waha or juma no or shall see and chair. Or shall see and chair now we're operating just about 3 to 4 months in here. 3 to 4 months ni onye da fe no person ye affiliations with the council na ohu kwan a offer so e de aye o deal with kwala sa after school club and kwala parents and da nye nursery or school, but is that after school club for nkwalaa ye hwe omo say omo parent ni ho anase bibi sa nti ono bisa say ono so wo chance for this opportunity na wo kana na nti no anke be minim so ono so fall within na, because after school club then come feel say it's just like that nursery thing na omo ye no na school uni obi akofa oba every school e dey amount abra wo so adwuma mu no. I think that's area no sa na no ye no ma akofa no ma abo omo ano e wo particular place at appropriate time no ma wo for no abefa omo kofi nti obi sa say ono so wo chance e wo sa opportunity a e ba ne ho ana mpacho.
Well, first of all, yes, it's scaled up. Nipa ode no ba no betua na 33,000. Me who nursery SBA tua na 33,000.
Okay.
That's the first thing I would. Well, munya 33,000, what could you be 33,000? So those are the issues I was saying for you mindful. Onkazo akoba akase ye bia adwuma e betimi de obi aba. Of course, that's true. I was saying for 10 a year adwuma ma. I was say why adwuma no for a minimum of 3 years. Within 3 years, every year bia we income kosoro by 20%. But there was so dwen when I say nipa no ba obetua na 33,000. Of kofana by was say utimi show say we income no enough for which me 33,000.
Okay.
It clearly means it won't come. It won't. You know, it doesn't apply to on any situation, no, because it doesn't even come under the scaled up requirements. No.
Yes.
The other part is it doesn't even also come under social and healthcare, because we have standard occupation code. Your friend is SOC, SOC now. Codes for skilled migrant program. And I say shortage occupation, we mbemubi. Inti opesa o yes skilled migrant programmer, obe called non-shortage occupation requirements in here slightly different. Ubetimi aye, of course ubetimi aye. But I was why adverts or high proof say we nya obiya manombe ye. I was so say ubetimi etu. I bear in mind say social and healthcare no income no aye between 21,000 and 25,000.
Yes.
Until you reduce. But for any skilled migrant, income I'm 28 a day call. Even intra-company transfer, 3 years, up to 6 years, a year, 73,000. Above 6 years, they call 9 years, a year, 73,000 over. Enti nyanya mani nyina na obetimi because bia well income no kra 70,000 no could share 73,000. Enti I was say you're mindful of what you're doing. Ade a me pese ye kromo for ye fa at this moment Times newspaper ya share on Facebook. You see ye here careless. You will shortage about 150,000. Could be a jumani be. Say wo odo was a juma men can be oni odo. Because inspection no very very stressful. So when you order woman won't mean yet. Kobi bi na ye ana say won kola makers a kola ba ko mutua £15,000 a month. E money pa na wo hwe no. So wo mo for 60,000. So wo fear wutimi wo about 10, 15, 20. I won crofo mo hwe because an kola no bi wo ha crofo 2 ana hwe no. Omo ko shift 12-hour shifts. Ana 3 because on benya day off. 80 or nkola we 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ebi our properties be Kent, ebi London, Lambeth, ebi Essex, ebi Milton Keynes. Obetimi ebie, but you're very sure say social worker or your manager and now obetimi manage complex cases. Your steps are you betimi aboa on our setting up. Of course, you charge and you're free because you're the knowledge in your day boa. Bibia ye bia anye free no any the ye ne ebi wa frɛ na ya ka kyerɛ. Sometimes na I will charging crofo bi wo ho we a business you charge your business charging. You charge the me charge you atene wa or no cleaning or ye be a week ska when nyina aye 350. We a business now run a business you charge your business rate and nya sure say we can help you. We can your crofo more business. We can direct you to them. Yeah, will be a last, will be back or your business plan, or by your business plan, I draw BBR, accountant or home support too. So even bank loan grant or Kojia, or bet me a support on why our processing, you know. But also, yeah, Pencroff, Juma, yeah. But this is an
Yes.
opportunity. And I make us say, open. Me say, yes, I'm a lawyer, and come back with Now,
Oh,
no, I'm telling you, yeah, because care for the disabled, the disadvantaged, and I really like it, you know.
yes.
I idea area, because you know, I say, Timanya T, I'm say, your time now,
Yep.
baby, and no,
Menaso.
yeah.
Menaso. Now, one last question. Member answer na ya commissioner. We need him.
Hello, good morning, Uncle Ben. Uncle, my question is, make it 2 years, maybe student visa and a buy, but me take me way na me right work na any system ne so bio, any so, and I'm paying me say me 2 years na expire, and I say any anya meet me at the marriage, true marriage meet me the anya resident permit to have say na Uncle Ben.
Then any system, no so. The biometric, you know.
And a man, yes,
I think, sir, I know where this is coming from. First of all, what as a student, no one go school now. You be revoke was it no. Enti so call online, the biometric ni shame number or make us a frame. Just be mindful, say it's possible, say or may revoke. What I've also noticed is say so mobile student or man go school no revocation no and bantam. Ebi wa 1 year kra no mu ntwemu. But so will be yeah answer na ya revoke because obi jail I want a jumum and I will worry I was say what will leave no ye valid. Obi jiwa yen say yeah juma ma mo je carers na yeah the word ni shame prove say obetimi aya juma answer na ya ma carer no go ahead say on recruit too. Timunya careful. What base school a school no person dey ya worry obetimi dey ya worry of course obetimi.
Okay, yo, Uncle Ben, you better was see, say what Jimre, this busy schedule, la, no, na, what's a better yen, wonderful topic, and a buy, no, me did say till for natural for yenya, in him dear was I deal you, yinjina, be you who quine a befaswa, at Bassa yen, never fall into victims, na near who the right thing to do, the right decision to take, and I say, Bequa, Rimumpua. Kwan a yɛbɛfa so for the pre-nup anaasɛ post-nup no na yɛhu ade pɔtee a ɔsɛ yɛyɛ wɔ aware no mu wei yɛ different from will even though ɔmobɔ yɛga ne sɛ ɔmobɔ bra but a difference wɔ ɔmo kakra nti ankama yɛbɛda wase yɛbɛsɔre yɛn nan so na ansa na yɛbɛkɔ no mɛsrɛ me san bɔ mo nkae nyame yɛ adom ɔkyena yɛwɔ the community and the law ɛɛba so dendenden yɛwɔ very great topic a yɛba bɛka ho wɔ hɔ na megye di sɛ ɛbɛboa yɛ yie nti yɛnhyɛ no nso so 4 to 6 o'clock in the evening ɛyɛ Saturday yɛnnua bɛma ɔre kufrempɔn bɛgyina mu de ama yɛn na yɛbɛsɔre yɛn nan so BWF Solicitors wohwehwɛ ɔmo akyiri akwan nyɛ yɛrɛ akwan koraa kɔ all the way to fourth floor Anna House no ɛno ɛwɔ hemfa ɛwɔ 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road ne so ɛwɔ Seven Sisters yɛka Seven Sisters wɔ UK anaasɛ London abɔnten so a ɛyɛ very popular place ɛnti no wodu Seven Sisters na wohwehwɛ biribi ɛwɔ no a bɔ mmɔden a sɛ na ɛteɛ da before no gye postcode no ɛyɛ N15 N15 4NP N15 4NP in case now we drive we be doing so a Tesco kakraka bi ebɛn no wotumi nya free parking for 90 minutes wobɛtumi de akodi wodwuma fɛfɛɛfɛ no aba but ubuki ofrɛ na oni omo hyehyɛ on sɛ ne BWF so pɛ me bɛsra mo yɛbɛma o date until wo ba na kyerɛ sɛ they have that preparation towards you and so my prepared for you saa na tie nti no saa nso na omo wɔ emergency times a wobɛtumi afrɛ aba ne sɛ baabi a wɔwɔ no ahokyerɛ aba wohia answer wohia bibi pot wohia bibi kan a yɛfrɛ no emergency na bɔ mmɔden afrɛ saa number we ɛyɛ 077 1276 1884 ɛwɔ board ne so ɛwɔ screen ne so wobɛtumi ahwɛ na sɛ wo bookie office no bookie appointment anaasɛ wakɔ akɔhu ɔmo a ɛyɛ 0208 493 7340. Nyehune say baby bia wo UK hebia, they have access to you. Say want to me to kwan embo mo ho a. Omo video conference, omo Skype call, omo just a kwan a obefa so a ometumi nya of omo telephone consultation, video bibia you betumi just at the comfort of your home no. Ometumi no enya sa consultation na wakoma ato yem say bani say o say osisa onyoman so be hu omo a kwan bebre wo so a ye fa so nti bomode ana be hu BWF Solicitors na nyoma ya discuss bi ati afa ha ebi epie free ha na nso no nti ase no embia na andi mu a obetumi afro mo ombeboa Uncle Ben ye be sorry na so pa tre den na de che na watwi mo ne emfa ko
Ade a mede kyɛ obiara ne sɛ first of all no mpaebɔ ne yɛbɔ sɛ wokɔ relationship ma it should last forever, permanently. Kɔpem time a nyame bɛfrɛ mo mu baako. But also, no, we live in a real world. There are problems with marriages and our relationships and break it down. The advice in the sense that our relationship be no protect your home, send a bear unkoto or life enkene. Na background say break it down because it will protect your home with a written agreement. No, so bibi na wasa mo che ana bibi na wasa o jema nkola na nkoye lawyer asem ama nkoye too costly. Ti dia me de mo bia na say monye very careful. Yenhwe sa na yebetimi aye na aye de aboaboa ya ho. Mo am be businesses no so in the care world, those social care no, in relation to disabled people, children, protected, secured homes in this area man no. So open advice utimi ba ama ye hwema. Lawyers ni bia betimi advice so because area ya specialize in. Ti nyame hwe ye nyina. Echina so yebedi nkomo wa ha. Na Thursday nso yebe humo, na Friday nso yebe humo. Yada mo nyina ase sama beka ye ho. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yo, it's you for ahane edi dwumedin bebe wie ye. De bia ya na mepe mpeninsem kakra de wie na yesi can say ending note na me kitchen na nkrofo estre me na so me yire me ho ano no yesi ahoma tintin bia obetwe bia na be yo abobo ano enen so maka no a enti ye de adwumede na ba wie ye me diane manyeti me gide se we ni aso we ni age na me a very good weekend na nyame nka ye nyina ho da se ne ye besen hia. Good morning.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebree. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eya abofra hwemu, awaregya ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care, any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ne ya wo bremu. Enu nti ne yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Wope advice immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors deɛ ye immigration team no abredare general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner member na wasagina tum Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernard Owusu san ye barrister ya Gina Tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wa san Gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors bebree efa Ghanaian law ho yi. Na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.